thought I would just hop on real quick and do this quick video. I'm excited that I have designed my first digital junk journal kit, and I made a junk journal out of it that we're going to do a real quick flip through. But I already posted, noticed that I had designed it on my Facebook and my Instagram page. So I wanted to get this out on my YouTube channel so you can actually see the kit. So it's, like I said, it's my first, and I wanted to say also I'm going to flip through these pages, and I printed this on a 32-pound presentation paper. I work part-time at Staples now that I'm retired, so I just work like 1 day a week, and it is their brand 32-pound paper, so you can see how it looks. I did also print on bond paper. Oh, you can hear my puppy in the background. I did print on bond paper, and it does look a little different. So when you get the kit, you might want to print on, you know, the paper that you think you want to use and see how it looks. But anyways, without further ado, let's get through it. I'm so excited. So there's 10 different papers. So there's page 1. I hope you can see it okay. And here's page 2. And these do print pretty vibrant. I didn't lighten them too much because I feel that that's kind of up to you. If you want to lighten it when you print it, that's up to you. This, I combined a Dr. Seuss quote, "Oh, the places you will go." It's a vintage or retro kind of airplane kit. I was looking for something more masculine to create. Let's kick the tires and light the fires. And then this is LaGuardia Field, New York. And these are different emblems. Make good for collage sheets as well. Hope you can see them. And this is just, I've got some ephemera that I'll show you in the back, and these are some of the planes that are in the ephemera, and I made a paper out of it with a grid on the background. It looks kind of aviator type. And this, I created this one, the blue airplanes. These are grayish brown, kind of. It depends on how you print them out, actually. These look gray, but I think when I did it on bond paper, they were a little more taupey or brown color, which both, I like both. And this is just a smaller version of the airplanes. And then this is the ephemera sheet. It's got some emblems, and then I placed planes on there, and you can enlarge or make smaller, whichever. These two papers, the next two, are actual transparencies. These two here. So what that means is the background is clear on both of these. So if you wanted to print these on a patterned paper, put the patterned paper, an 8.5 by 11 inch patterned paper in, this would print on top of that. These are 2 tags that I created, and then here's just a little bonus piece of ephemera right here that I thought I would include. And these are the postcards. Let's see. This is kind of more of a black and white. And this is how I wanted to show you the difference in the papers. This is a 32-pound, and see, this is more of a brownish color, yellow. And when I did it on bond, it came out more of a mauvey, pinky color. So, and I think these, and anyways, that's the last page in the kit, but I'll show you the other ones too. These were printed on bond. Let me look for that one to show you. the difference. This is on the 32 pound and it's a little greener here than this. This is a bond. And this one here, when I did it on the bond, this looks almost like a taupey pink, and this is a little bronzer, more of a brownish yellow. So that just gives you an idea of how they print differently on different papers. So you'll want, I don't know what kind of paper you'll be printing them on, but I just wanted to show you the whole kit. I was so excited about it. And it is listed at my Etsy shop for, I think it's, the downloads are, it's 4 zip files for $3.50. So that's really a good deal if you're looking to make a more masculine journal. So I'm going to put these aside and show you a quick flip through of this journal itself. Let me get in camera here. So it's got, I hope, more of a masculine cover with a warplane on it. And at the bottom it says, fearlessly authentic. And this journal does have the corners, kind of bronze colored corners. And I dyed the Sari Silk a green to try to match the cover a little bit. So here's the front. And I'm just going to do a real quick flip through here. This is a flip up. These are actually tags. These are the pictures that are on the Tim Holtz, his stencils. So I just cut the pictures out. This is a little pad of paper. Just different sheets that I made. And in my journals, if you watch my videos, you see that I leave a lot of space for journaling because I feel like that's what it's for. This is a piece of the ephemera, the plane. And again, just decorated. This is that transparency that I printed on a kind of a cream colored paper. And this is some of the material and a coffee stained paper for journaling. There's a pocket with a couple of tags. This is the tag that comes in. I think I reduced it. And this is the tag I made out of the inside of a envelope, security envelope. And this is a flip out here. This is a flip up and a journaling card. And this is just decoration for the page. And this is one of the pieces of ephemera. A journaling card. And this is just paper for journaling in a belly band. This is one of the emblems and a journaling card. And this is a flip up as well. This is part of the paper that's included, and I just printed it and cut it to make a journaling page. And this is a pad of paper, just different size coffee stained paper for journaling. And another pad like was in the front. I just made another one. And you can journal on all these pages. That I lightened them. These I lightened when I printed it so that you'd be able to journal on it. And there's a tag and another flip up with the material from the outside of the book. And journaling tag. I think this is from Nick the Booksmith, a free download that I got. And there's the paper that I created. These I just stenciled. Sometimes I stencil or I'll put a little design on it just to break up the page. And this is a flip out as well with a piece of the ephemera and a little journaling card. Again, this is just to break up the page for journaling. You can write on any of these. This is an envelope, pocket, a little journaling cards, and a pocket with another journaling card. And here's the tag. I reduced my tags, so I made them smaller so they would fit in here. This is a little bit smaller book, and again a smaller tag, and this is again is a flip up. And this is just a small piece of ephemera that I made. It's got a little button on it. It's collaged sheets where I sewed, and then I just cut a piece of ledger paper for journaling and tucked it in there. This is a stencil, piece of ephemera, just a little tag for journaling. And here's just a paper for journaling. And again, like I said, I did lighten the pages so you can journal on all the pages. Stencils down either side of these pages with a piece of ephemera. This is just a piece of washi tape I put on top. It's one of the postcards. And this is just a journaling card I put in there. And this is just a belly band with some collaged papers that I did. I used a graphic I found for there. And this is the paper that I made. But I think I went in Photoshop and I changed the texture of the blue. Here's a journaling card and a little coffee filter decorated. And journaling space. There's another transparency, another tag, a couple of more tags. This paper here, I just changed colors of that. And then these are all journaling pages. This is a belly band going sideways with another piece of that ledger paper in there. And these are, this is just a piece of paper for journaling, but it is glued down. But this is just a smaller piece, and I didn't glue that, so that tucks right in there. More journaling paper. Another pad. Different papers. And there's just journaling space. And this is just a paper. Just all kinds of stuff that I had or found. There's a tip up, and then there's a lot of blue in this book, so this, I stenciled these with a blue, like a ledger, and then this is, I think, is a Tim Holtz design. Another flip up, lots of journaling spaces on any of the pages that have a picture or something, and a journaling card. And stenciled here. Coffee dyed paper. Another belly band, and this is just collaged paper that I made a belly band out of, put an emblem on it, and this is paper. And this is that blue paper, and then I stenciled the stars on there. And in every one of my journals, I do include a piece of my own original artwork. This artwork was back, I think I did this artwork back in 2014. You can fly or you can soar. And I thought that had something to do with flying, so I just put that piece of artwork in, and I do sign my little prints. So you can either send it to somebody as a card, or you could leave it in here and journal on it, or you could frame it, whichever. And there's a little flip up. And these are gears, and I just stenciled on there. Let's see what I got here. Oh, I got 2 this one goes right here. Again, this is just that one of the pieces of ephemera. These are ephemera. And then here on the back is like a little manila folder that I scored so you could store stuff in here, and I just stuck an envelope behind it. You can journal on it, you can put stuff in the envelope. The folder, like I said, if you can see it, I scored it so it's got about 1/4 of an inch. You can put stuff in there that it'll hold. And then that's the back. Pretty simple. This journal is for sale in my Etsy shop. It just went up the other day. So if you want to grab it, it's there. Usually I make 2 journals at a time, but in this case I only made just the one. So there you go. There's a walkthrough. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you're interested in making a more masculine journal for a boy or a man, travel journal or something, feel free to download my digital. Thank you so much for your support. Have a great day.